Hey YouTube, this is JC Shazam123 and this is my first video about Ask JC. Okay, I'm not gonna really, uh, I'm not really like answer people. Not really gonna answer I'm not really gonna answer their questions because there's no people commenting or posting stuff on me. Okay, before that I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put I'm just gonna put a click thingy where you click on the side or thingy. Um, if you see a red box on the bottom, like right here or right there, if you see a red thingy, okay, that means click it and you automatically go to Facebook, and there's something gonna pop out like my Facebook page, and I'm just log into your Facebook and search JC Shazam123, and my Twitter. There's another top right here on the top. There's another box right there. Okay, that's it for now. If you wanna see Ask JC, if you want to be on the next Ask JC, just comment or leave a video response. See you, bye YouTube. Okay, where's the camera? I forgot again. Okay, where's the camera? Okay, we're right here.